So hi guys, మనకి Nissan Magnite XE Base model 2024 లో do you have Android Auto Connect or Apple CarPlay option అంటే yes we have, and that is with this infotainment screen, and the option is only to connect via USB if you have a 4G phone. If you have a 5G phone you can connect wirelessly. So let me repeat, if you have a 4G phone you have to connect it through USB. If you have a 5G phone you can connect wirelessly, like you see right now I connected my cable. I'll show you how to do the Android Auto Connect. My USB cable is connected, and on the screen you have to scroll up and go to the right. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక యాప్ కనిపిస్తుంది చూడండి, T-Link 5 అని. క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్. ఆ యాప్ మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తే here it is. See, I'll show you more closer. When safe, lock your phone, stand, Android Auto, use apps. So నాకు on my phone it's giving an option like this. So I will click on unlock. Unlocking my phone, trying to set it up. So here it's asking me for some permissions. Welcome to Android Auto, require permissions to access so and so. So I'll click on OK. Then I will click on continue. Okay, let me see notification access. This is how you can connect it like first time. Let me see. I have to turn on the notification access from my phone. So I will. Okay, so there is Android Auto here, it is denied, so I will try to allow access. Allow, and here I'll click continue. Okay, I didn't click here, so allow notification access. Okay, I allowed the notification access on my phone. So now let's see on the screen. So right now we are connected to Android Auto Connect. If you see, this is how the display, the Google Maps have opened up. I can use the Google Assistant. Hi Google, set the location to ORR.
Varanasi is 22 hours, 54 minutes from your location by car and light traffic.
Okay, it was not Varanasi. I wanted Outer Ring Road. Okay, Google set the location to Outer Ring Road.
Got it. I'm setting your destination to Nehru Outer Ring Road.
Okay, you've seen Google has set up the location. So that's just a demo, guys, and you have all the other apps like the calling app. You can make calls. Then Google, then music. If you have music, all the apps are displaying here, whatever you have. Okay, so this is as far as the Android Auto is concerned. Android Auto is set. So thank you very much, guys. I hope this explains you how to connect the Android Auto, the Bluetooth screen, the music. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe and share it for people who are not aware. And thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.